Hey, boo. So we often like to go to a place called Shady Maple. She just woke up. You're super tired. It's actually in Dutch country. We go to the Shady Maple smorgasbord. And if you don't know what a smorgasbord is, it's basically a huge array of food, huge quantities. It's like a combination, a little bit of everything. If you like a lot of desserts, smorgasbord, okay? If you like a lot of just different foods, there's something for everybody. I really, Jaguar, wanted you to be a part of this video and you just totally put your whole butt to me. So my mom and I, as well as my grandmother, we took a trip down and we ate, and then we went to the market, which is amazing to me. The produce section, the candy section, I gag. So I'm gonna take you guys along on that vlog. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel. Oh, I'm gonna put you in this video. And let's get started. Oh no, you did it! No, it's fine, Jaguar. Don't come over here now, sis.
We're in Lancaster County at the Shady Maple Market.
We take like, what is it, like a 2-hour drive? A 2-hour drive, almost 2 hours, because they have the freshest, like biggest, most beautiful vegetables.
Sparkling links.
I know. Fresh and these. This looks beautiful. I like to garnish with this. This is what I need. I need some beets. They're so good when you just roast them. Let's grab a couple. I've never had a cactus spear, and they're 99 cents a pound. We could split it and try it together. No, we're gonna try it together. What do they call it? The pear? Yeah, Chinese pear. Now they say crown pears. They keep changing up on me. Oh my goodness, they have chai tea. Honey chai tea. That's my favorite tea. Chai tea spice.
Pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice. I wonder if that's overkill. Pumpkin spice, everything is great, but sometimes I just like the chai flavor. Look at all these gelatins. Could you imagine what you could do with this in cakes? Remember when we used the lime gelatin in those Cinco de Mayo lime cupcakes? It made them so moist and delicious. And then they have like every oat and grain you could think about. Confectionery wafer. Oh my goodness, they have Wilbur. They have Wilbur chocolate. Nobody told me about this. Now I'm gonna be stuck here for another 10 minutes. What you got to show me, girl?
Oh yeah.
What if I put that in your stocking?
$20. I would love it.
What if, oh goodness, you could make like the chocolate shavings, like the chocolate cigarettes and stuff.
Currency milk, chocolate coating.
I don't want chocolate coating.
Yeah.
I want chocolate. Just chocolate. This is like Santa Claus came to town and he sat it right here and told me the aisle to pick it up in. That's the severe weather shelter area. I feel like we're gonna be the only ones who knows that. We'll be tucked between the candy and they'll be wondering why. We'll be like, I'm not a sugar sprinkle color sanding sugar type.
Brown Jimmy.
Yeah, you're a Jimmy's. These are beautiful. Pastel pink. I'm in love with these. These are gorgeous. I'm in love with the colors. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to do with myself. I'm starting to shake a little bit. I'm like, should I just get some candy and move on my way? I'm like a big kid in a candy store. I guess that's exactly what I am. Oh my goodness, gummy bears. I wonder if they're soft and chewy. Oh my gosh. This is for my fancy side. And then of course as you walk through, it's like a normal market. Like a supermarket. I didn't know. I didn't see you when I looked. And I was like, oh, she done left me. I came for broccoli and garlic. I feel like I'm, what $1.99. Oh, that's my grandmother in the blue. Can you say barbecue? Can you say meet me at the crib? Everybody, come on over because I got you. I'm not much of a meat eater, but turkey looks good.
Is this beef or pork? The sausage.
These are soft, but sausage is soft.
I'm excited. Bacon cheddar burgers. I'm getting 2 of them to try. That'll be my shebang bun, whatever that means. Here's all of our bags. Everything was such a good price. I got a whole shopping bag full and I barely spent $50. That's awesome. This is right when you come out of the market. So excited to grill again, just to see what that stuff is. I might eat that in the car. Holla. My mom was pushing the cart and my watermelon fell. And it cracked a little bit, but not enough to where I'm gonna leave it behind. You can't even, oh snap, it's about to fall again. Thank you. It's like just cracked on the other side. But I'm still gonna like, you know, eat it because it wasn't like ruined and destroyed. And my mom, she got scared. When she gets nervous, she calls me by my full name. She was like, Marisha. Backseat balling. I said I'm backseat balling.
But she starts Debbie Summers and she started with it. Yeah.
We're home, guys. Let's see what we got.
Eggs.
Food haul. I got so much broccoli, it's like ridiculous. Oh yeah, that salmon. But I hope it's like, it said Alaskan. Let's see.
Broccoli.
So much broccoli. That's just one of the broccoli.
Funky cucumber.
A seedless cucumber. Should I just keep the broccoli in the bag since it's just a whole bag of broccoli?
Sure.
Oh yeah, my burgers. The cheddar bacon burgers.
Sound proud.
Ew. That's yours.
Good for you. A big old shallot.
Yeah, a shallot for like fish and stuff. I think I'm gonna do Asian salmon for that. Big fillet of salmon with like julienne vegetables, carrots and stuff. And what's that, Redskins? Oh, sweet. Nasty Gatorade. That's the good time when you're really needing it.
Sugar.
What do you mean it's called? I hope it's sweet. I don't know what to expect for ripe papayas, so.
We would show you the watermelon, but there was a watermelon.
The watermelon was busted. And she was like, Marisha! That's how I know something happened. That's the only time she says my whole name. What?
There's the potatoes here.
No, this is onions.
That's right.
And those are the red skin potatoes. I'm excited to use this. I'll probably use this in a video. It's like no waste organic barbecue box. And it has briquettes and wood. And I don't know what's in it. But it was $1.99. And it's like big. I'm like, oh my goodness. Good. I got those. They're just like, you know, everybody likes a pouch of juice. Convenience is key. I'm excited for these burgers. I'm trying to decide if I should have one tonight.
Can't wait.
Bacon cheddar.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if you got the pepperoni.
You know what? If we wanted to, we could saute onions and put them in the burgers and make them funky ourselves. With some broccoli.
Yep.
I'm excited.
That's a good meal right there.
Hashtag broccoli. You look pleasant. Oh, why don't you
don't get close.
Oh, goodness.
Makeup on.
Neither do I. I look like
you
a
know.
Bumpy Rumpkins.
Yeah.
Bumpy Rumpkins here. live on your computer screen or your phone. Yeah, I do. I look like a Bumpy Rumpkins.
Do not.
You know when like you used to see people with makeup and then you don't, and then their face looks bald.
Yeah.
Like, whoa,
But
where's
you
your eyelashes? Where's your
don't- so you
eyebrows?
still
Where's
have
your
eyebrows
color?
and eyelashes, even with no makeup.
My eyelashes are very, very hidden. But my mustache isn't.
My mustache
It's like, it's just the
bumpy.
color. It's not really hair. Anyway,
Bump.
so that's all. I'll see you guys soon.
See ya.
If you like these vlogs, let me know. And I'll make more of them.
Okay.
If not, then I'll stop them forever and you'll never see my face again.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.